Are you struggling to decode JSON using Swift's Codable protocol? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. I totally get it. You add Codable to your struct, and then you hit a wall when it comes to decoding JSON. It can be frustrating, especially when you just want your code to work. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user asked, "Why can't I decode my JSON with Codable?" They shared their struct and the code they were using, but they hit a snag at the decoding step. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what could be going wrong? The issue often lies in how the JSON structure matches your Swift models. If the keys in your JSON don't match the properties in your struct, decoding will fail. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you avoid these decoding issues in the future. To decode the JSON correctly, the user needs to ensure that the structure of the JSON matches the codable structs. First, let's define a new struct called theme that contains an array of questions. Next, the user should ensure that the question struct is also defined correctly. It should already be set up as codable, which it is in the user's code. Now the user can decode the JSON data using the theme struct. This involves creating an instance of JSON decoder and calling the decode method with the theme type. Finally, the user should check the output of the decoded data. If everything is set up correctly, they should see the decoded themes and questions printed in the console. Fun fact, did you know that Codable was introduced in Swift 4 to simplify JSON encoding and decoding? It's a game changer for developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that the error occurs because your JSON structure has a top-level key called themes, which contains an array of question objects. To fix this, you need to create a new struct that matches this structure with a themes property that is an array of question. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One user has shared a helpful resource for JSON encoding and decoding in Swift 4. They provided a link to their GitHub repository, which contains code examples that can assist you with implementing the Codable protocol. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always ensure your JSON keys match your Swift property names. If they don't, use coding keys to map them correctly. This will save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to decode your JSON using Codable without any issues. Remember, matching your JSON structure with your Swift models is key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips.